Yes, good morning. This is Anjay. Welcome to English speaking class. Guys, girls, Shotao, Assalamu alaikum. Dajahaw, Marhaba, Sabal Khair. Viewers, my students, today we are going to see the negative phrases in past perfect tense. Past perfect tense negative statements. We will see them and we will see the changes and rules that apply for this tense, and we will make their passive statements. Past perfect tense active statements will be changed to passive, and when we will change active voice statements to passive voice, there are certain rules that apply. We will make a practice with those rules, and we will see that how we can make good use of these active and passive voice statements. Let's start our lesson behind on the whiteboard. Have you seen, my students? The first statement is Ali had not named Pip. Ali had not named Pip. Ali had not named Pip. अली ने पिप का नाम नहीं रखा था. अली हैड नॉट नेम पिप. अली ने पिप का नाम नहीं रखा था. अली ने पिप का नाम नहीं रखा था. Let's see it change in passive. You see that when we make a change from active to passive, we will we replace subject and object with each other. So Pip will stand as a subject in passive statement. Pip had not been named by Ali, and Ali will stand here as an object in passive statement. And we have other changes. Pip had not been. Been is added for passive voice, and the third form of verb named is named. By is a connecting word, and Ali will stand here as an object. So this is a passive statement. Pip had not been named by Ali. Pip had not been named by Ali. Pip had not been named by Ali. Pip का नाम अली से नहीं रखा जाता था. Pip had not been named by Ali. Pip का नाम अली से नहीं रखा जाता था. Next, see the next statement. You see, my students, that active statement is had you seen Newtown? Had you seen Newtown? This is a question. This is a questionary statement. Had you seen Newtown? क्या आप नया टाउन देख चुके थे? Had you seen Newtown? क्या आप नया टाउन देख चुके थे? Dear my students, the first statement is an active voice. Ali had not named Pip. Ali had not named Pip. Ali ने पिप का नाम नहीं रखा था. अली पिप का नाम नहीं रख चुका था. अली हैड नॉट नेम पिप. अली ने पिप का नाम नहीं रख चुका था. When we gonna change this statement to passive voice, so you see that Ali and Pip will replace each other. So Pip will stand as a subject in passive statement. Pip had not been named by Ali. Pip had not been named by Ali. Pip का नाम अली से नहीं रखा जाता था. Pip का नाम अली से नहीं रखा जा चुका था. Pip का नाम अली से नहीं रखा जा चुका था. Pip had not been named by Ali. Pip had not been named by Ali. Pip का नाम अली से नहीं रखा जा चुका था. Here you see that changes. Pip stands here as a subject, and Ali stands as an object, and been is added for the passive statement, and this is a negative sentence. Let's proceed to the next phrase. Inactive, that is, you see there, that is a question. Had you seen Newtown? Had you seen Newtown? क्या आप नया कस्बा देख चुके थे? Had you seen Newtown? क्या आप नया टाउन देख चुके थे? This is a question statement, and let's see its change in passive. Had Newtown been seen by you? Had Newtown been seen by you? Had Newtown been seen by you? क्या नया कस्बा आपसे देखा जा चुका था? You see, my students, in active statement we have you a subject and Newtown is an object. When we change to passive voice, we see that Newtown will stand as a subject and you will stand as an object because the objective form of you is the same you. So you will remain as an object because the objective form of you is you, and Newtown will stand as a subject. Had is written in the start of the statement because it's a question. When there is a question, helping verbs are always written in the first place. So had Newtown been seen by you? Had Newtown been seen by you? This is also a question. It will remain a question. क्या नया कस्बा आपसे देखा जा चुका था? Had new town been seen by you? क्या नया टाउन आपसे देखा जा चुका था? Had new town been seen by you? क्या नया कस्बा आपसे देखा जा चुका था? Hey my students, the active statement is had you seen new town? Had you seen new town? क्या आप नया कस्बा देख चुके थे? This is an active statement, past perfect tense. This is a past perfect tense. और माजी बईद में ये बात हुई है बहुत अर्सा पहले. हैड यू सीन न्यू टाउन? क्या आप नया कस्बा देख चुके थे? दिस इज एन एक्टिव स्टेटमेंट. Hey, see my students, this is a question and you is a subject and new town is an object. When we change to the passive, new town will stand as a subject and you will stand as an object. So in a passive statement you see that had Newtown been seen by you? Had Newtown been seen by you? As usual we have Newtown a subject and we will write had for past perfect tense, then been will be added for passive, and the third form seen, and connecting word by, and then in the end we will write you as an object. So new formation is had new town seen by you. Had new town seen by you. क्या नया कस्बा, क्या नया टाउन आपसे देखा जा चुका था? Had new town seen by you? क्या नया कस्बा, नया टाउन आपसे देखा जा चुका था? Hey my students, let's proceed to the next statement. आइए अगले जुमले की तरफ बढ़ते हैं. Next statement you see here, it's an active voice. Sue had not troubled them. 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 Sue ने उन्हें तकलीफ नहीं पहुंचाई थी. Sue उन्हें तकलीफ नहीं पहुंचा चुकी थी. Sue had not troubled them. Sue उन्हें तकलीफ नहीं पहुंचा चुकी थी. You see that Sue is a subject and them is an object, and this is also a negative statement. Let's move its change to passive. Here you see the passive voice statement. They had not been troubled by Sue. They had not been troubled by Sue. They had not been troubled by Sue. उन्हें सू से तकलीफ नहीं पहुंचाई जा चुकी थी. They had not been troubled by Sue. You see that they will stand as a subject because them is object, and it in passive it will stand as a subject. So its subjective form is they. Its subjective form is they. Then we will add had. Then we will add not. Then when will be added for the passive voice, and then third form travel. Then by the connecting word by, and in the end Sue will stand here as an object. So them and Sue replace each other, and instead of them we write its subjective form they. So new formation is they had not been troubled by Sue. They had not been troubled by Sue. उन्हें सू से तकलीफ नहीं पहुंचाई जा चुकी थी. You my students, you see the new statement in past perfect tense. This is a negative statement. Sue had not troubled them. Sue had not troubled them. Sue उन्हें तकलीफ नहीं पहुंचा चुकी थी. And its passive statement is they had not been troubled by Sue. They had not been troubled by Sue. उन्हें सू से तकलीफ नहीं पहुंचाई जा चुकी थी. Hey my students, these are very interesting phrases. These are in negative sense and it's a past perfect tense, and we have had one interrogative statement. We have seen the changes and rules that apply, and we have made a practice with them. Let's repeat these sentences once again. आइए इन जुमलों को एक बार फिर से दोहराते हैं. Can you see that? First one is Ali had not named Pip. Ali had not named Pip. This is an active statement. Ali had not named Pip. Pip. Ali had not named Pip. अली पिप का नाम नहीं रख चुका था. अली ने पिप को नाम नहीं दिया था. एंड इट्स पैसिव इज पिप हैड नॉट बीन नेम्ड बाय अली. पिप हैड नॉट नेम्ड बाय अली. पिप का नाम अली से नहीं रखा जा चुका था. पिप हैड नॉट बीन नेम्ड बाय अली. पिप हैड नॉट बीन नेम्ड बाय अली. पिप का नाम अली से नहीं रखा जा चुका था. पिप हैड नॉट बीन नेम्ड बाय अली. नेक्स्ट इज this is an active statement. Had you seen New Town? Had you seen New Town? क्या आप नया कस्बा देख चुके थे? This is an interrogative statement and it's a past perfect tense. Had you seen New Town? Had you seen New Town? क्या आप नया कस्बा देख चुके थे? And its passive is had New Town been seen by you? Had New Town been seen by you? Had New Town been seen by you? क्या नया कस्बा आपसे देखा जा चुका था? Had New Town been seen by you? क्या नया टाउन आपसे देखा जा चुका था? And next statement is inactive. Sue had not troubled them. Sue had not troubled them. Sue ने उन्हें तकलीफ नहीं पहुंचाई थी. Sue had not troubled them. Sue ने उन्हें तकलीफ नहीं पहुंचाई थी. And let's see its passive. You see the passive statement. They had not troubled. They had not been troubled by Sue. They had not been troubled by Sue. They had not been troubled by Sue. उन्हें सू से तकलीफ नहीं पहुंचाई जा चुकी थी. They had not been troubled by Sue. They had not been troubled by Sue. उन्हें सू से तकलीफ नहीं पहुंचाई जा चुकी थी. So my students, these are very important statements in a past perfect tense. We have seen the negative statements, negative phrases, and one interrogative phrase. Make a good practice with these past perfect statements and their change to passive. Memorize these sentences and the changes from active to passive, that how active statements are going to change to passive. Subscribe to my channel. Keep on watching my videos. I wish you all the best. Goodbye. See you again. Goodbye.